Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and I'm standing under an awning in the rain to bring you this review of the HairDo wig long with layers in the beautiful color Glazed Cinnamon, also known as R3025S+. This is a true-to-life fiber, same as the Raquel Welch True to Life fiber. They're made by the same company. And so this color is the same as the Glazed Cinnamon from the Raquel Welch line. So if you wanted to see what this looks like in natural light, there you go. It kind of matches the beautiful red Georgia clay behind me. It's a beautiful natural medium auburn that has some very lovely, very subtle blonde on top. It's just very, very, very pretty. I'm going to make this review relatively swift just because of the rain and the humidity, but I think this wig looks exactly like the product pictures. All of the HairDo wigs are open capped, so they are very, very nice, comfortable to wear. The caps are relatively stretchy, which is excellent. I find this one to be very comfortable on. I also think that for the price, this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. Now you will want to be familiar with how to care for and treat heat-friendly synthetics, since this is a heat-friendly synthetic fiber. They wear a little bit differently than the regular synthetic non-heat-friendly fiber. I'm going to talk the specs really quick. The front on this is 4 inches, so it's a pretty standard bang length. You can have it trimmed or you can just sweep it off to the side like I am here, and like you see in the product picture for this style. The crown down is 14 inches, so it's quite long. The sides are 10 inches, the back is 14, and the nape is 12. So as you can see, it's almost a boob hugger, but not quite. This one weighs 5 ounces, which is about on par with a wig of this length. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what long with layers looks like from all sides. And you might hear the rain in this video because of the awning. Because I want to wrap this video up, I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off so I can show you what the cap looks like. Area here, where the rose lace is, this is actually permateased. The back is also open. The ear tabs are open, which makes this easy to wear glasses with. I love that. The nape is extended, but it doesn't have any felt, it's just open as well. And it has this very nice felt line here that you can use for the Velcro adjuster in the back, which is a very nice feature. It has a little teeny band of felt right at the front hairline to help it stay in place. Here is what that color looks like up close, and now you can probably see a little bit more of that blonde. It's very subtle and it's blended in very well. It's a very pretty color, so if you're looking for a very beautiful highlighted natural auburn that isn't in your face red or in your face highlighted, this one is a beautiful choice. As I mentioned before, this is the R3025S+, also known as Glazed Cinnamon. Very, very pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on and we'll wrap this video up. Please be sure to check out my video on heat-friendly synthetic fibers. They take a little bit extra care, they wear a little bit differently, and so it's always good to have a heads up about that. But other than that, I think this is a beautiful style. For the price, you just can't beat it. This has been the Long with Layers by HairDo in the color Glazed Cinnamon. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!